But this is so beautiful. But it's oil, and this is what the Egyptian queens used to wear on their entire body. So you would take a shower. It only has 4 ingredients. And it's just guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys a little haul of the stuff I bought here in Egypt because, well, the beauty stuff I bought here in Egypt because, I mean, for centuries, Egypt has been that place where people come to for beauty stuff. They've learned beauty a long time ago. And they have some of the best stuff here. Even Chanel number 5 perfume, they stole it from the two No Beauty. They know natural remedies. They've got some of the best stuff here. So I've been doing a little bit of, I've been stocking up on my favorite stuff. This is my 7th time coming to Egypt, so I already know what I like. I already know what the good stuff is. I've tested a bunch of it and I just come back for my favorites. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. If you're coming to Egypt, you might want to save and write down what I've got so you can purchase it too. Because this is the good stuff. Okay. So we got some hair stuff, we got some skin stuff, and we got some body stuff. So first I'll dive into the hair stuff. Okay, so they have, I talked about this in my other video, but where you buy something really matters. These oils are so good, but they're crap if you buy them from anywhere else. When you come to Egypt and you're buying something, look at the label and make sure it says made in Egypt, because that means it's the good stuff. You can buy, what is it, Vitica oils other places, but it's crap. It's got a bunch of chemicals in it and it's not the real deal. If you come here, you see the Egyptian women, they have beautiful hair, beautiful, and they're not spending a ton of money on all this expensive hair care stuff. They're using stuff here is so cheap and it's so good, and the ingredients are completely different. So yeah, the Vitica hair oils here in Egypt are so good. I always make sure it says made in Egypt, which it says here on the bottle. So I just got cactus. It's called olive, cumin, and cactus oil. This is good for hair fall. So it's just an oil you use on your scalp. I like to switch my oils up. I'm a big fan of hair oiling. It is how you keep your hair healthy and your scalp healthy. So yeah, this is the cactus one. Cactus fruit, olive, and cumin oil. For hair fall, making hair strong, silky, and smooth. So I would just use it twice a week. But I mean, I switched them up. So hair oiling in general, I do twice a week. But I switched them up. And then I got this rosemary almond oil. These are so cheap and they're so good, but you've got to come to the Middle East to get them, because if you get them other places, people make replicas and they're completely different to save money, I guess. I don't know. This faded, but it said made in Egypt. I checked. Got these from the beauty store. Egypt is all about oils. So yeah, I also got I put these on my website. So this hair oil is completely viral. It's all over the internet. You've probably seen it before. I remember buying it for the first time like 5 years ago. In India, I bought it, and also in Egypt, I bought it. And I remember how crazy I saw the difference in my hair growth. This stuff makes your hair grow so fast. It's an ancient secret from India, or just from the Middle East in general. The amla fruit. It's just so good for your hair growth. This one is made and manufactured in Egypt. And so I remember trying it. I bought it again when I was in the US because I was trying to tell someone about the hair oil. So I ended up buying that person hair oil, but I bought it in the US and gave it to them. And I was like, what is the smell? The smell was terrible. I looked at the ingredients. They were totally different. It was a bunch of chemicals and it wasn't the same. And I'm like, yeah, you've got to come to Egypt or India and buy the real deal. So I actually put these on my website. I, on a giant suitcase, packed a suitcase full of these oils, and I put them on my website for you guys. So if you want to buy the amla, this oil's been around for like over 70 years. For the Egypt version, which is the one you want, you can buy it from me directly on my website. I'll link it down below for you guys, and I can ship it to you because this stuff is no joke. It's the real deal. It's the real deal. And yeah, you would use it on your scalp as a treatment. So before you wash your hair, you put it on your scalp, you massage your scalp for like 10 minutes. Really, like, don't just massage your scalp. Really massage your scalp for like 10 minutes. That's important for hair growth. With this oil, I also put it on my ends, and then I put a shower cap on and let that sit for an hour or two, and then you style your hair as normal, shampoo, condition, all that. I bought a ton of those too. And I have another hair oil. No, those are all my hair oils. I got a bunch of the almond ones, and I got those 2 Vatican ones. I also love the Vatican here in Egypt, the garlic one, but it was sold out when I went to the beauty store. So before I leave, I'm definitely gonna go get the garlic one because the garlic one is really good too. The Vatican garlic, it's really good for hair growth. And I'm actually going on a hair growth journey for 6 months. My hair is long, but I want it to be really long. Like, I want my hair to low-key, I want to be sitting on it. So I'm on a hair growth journey, like 6 months. I'm doing like, I actually have it, I can link it down below for you guys what I'm doing. It's called my 30-day healthy hair challenge. And instead of doing it for 30 days, I'm doing the 30 days 6 rows and 6 times. So it'll be 6 months where there's certain things I'm doing every single day to make my hair grow, like supplements, massages, specific masks, my diet, certain things I'm eating. Like, I'm doing this 6-month hair thing because I want my hair to grow down to literally like past my butt, and I want it to be in 6 months. And I know I can do it if I'm consistent with my healthy hair routine, and I know I can do it if I'm consistent with everything I do, you know, to make my hair really healthy and grow. So I'm stocking up on hair oils, and I've dramatically cut down the heat I use on my hair, and I'm like doing different methods to like prolong how long my silk press lasts. So yeah, I got that. And then also I got okay, yeah, someone gave me a sample of this for free. The guy, I went to the Egyptian oil and beauty product store, and the guy gave me this for free. He said it's a mix of all their best hair oils, and it's really expensive. Like, he was trying to sell me a big bottle, and he was like, it's like $1,000. And I'm like, how about you give me a sample first, and I'll tell you if I like it before. I'm not spending $1,000 on hair oil. So I just told him he was like, all right, I'll give you a sample. So this is a little vat of that concoction he made for me. He just said it was a mix of like some really good oils, so I don't know. I'll use it, but I would never spend that much. It's not necessary. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna mention that. Yeah, okay, so I also got this from that same guy. And this is what the Egyptian queens used to wear on their entire body. So you would take a shower, get out of the shower, and like cover your whole body in this lotus oil. And it just smells so good. And also it just makes your skin so silky. So yeah, I got this 100% lotus oil, but I'm really nervous about this because I just see this spilling. Like, this isn't a good bottle for traveling. He did wrap it up in tape for me, but I mean, what was I gonna do? I travel at all times. So yeah, I got that. Then I got, oh yeah, from the beauty store, I got this. I bought this last time, so I just picked it up again. I wear buns, so this would be really good for my buns, because I told you I'm prolonging my silk press so that when my hair gets dirty and oily, I don't have to like wash it again soon. I can like keep buns in my hair for a long time to dramatically reduce the heat I use in my hair. So yeah, I bought it here before. It's from Palmer's, but again, it's made in Egypt. Yep, made in Egypt, so it's completely different stuff. It only has like 6 ingredients. And yeah, it's just like it's a hair like leave-in conditioner, and it's got vitamins A, B, and E, and apparently it's got protein in it. I just used it before and I really like it, so I can like lay down my hair. And then, okay, rose water. Of course I was getting rose water. Rose water is huge in the Middle East. And so I picked up a bunch of these. I bought this before from the beauty store. 2 ingredients, glycerin and water. 3 ingredients, water, glycerin, and rose water. So it's just like, you're not gonna find this stuff anywhere. You gotta come to Egypt to find this. It's the best stuff. I use it on my face as a toner, and then I bought another rose water from another guy. He was trying to sell me something, and I said, "You have rose water?" He said, "Yeah," and he ran and go got it. So I bought a ton of these rose waters. They're amazing. Rose water is huge in the Middle East, and it's used for beauty. The Egyptian queens would use rose water all the time. It's really good for your face. Helps with blemishes, helps with breakouts. It treats breakouts, it treats dry skin, and it's just really good stuff. Okay, I wanted to tell you guys about this. Are we still recording? Yes. So I got so many comments, by the way. If I sound tired, I am. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. So I'm like, I'm a little bit tired because I needed to film this video because it takes so long to upload. But anyways, you guys saying that you wanted me to put some stuff from the Nubian Village on my website, because I told you guys in yesterday's video that the Nubians, the only way they make money is from tourism. That's it. It's literally the only way they make money. Yeah, so they make stuff with their hands and sell it to tourists, and it's the only way they have income. So I got so many comments, so many emails from you guys saying, please put stuff from the Nubian Village on your website so that like it could be a way that you guys can support the Nubian Village people, and it's really cool stuff at the same time. So I'm like, yeah, that's such a good idea. So I made this little package that I'm putting on my website. So if you watched my video yesterday, you saw these little made by the Nubian women. They're little keychains. They represent the Nubian women because there's like little Nubian women on there. They make them with their hands, and then this is the colors of the Nubian people. It's like their signature colors. So it's a little Nubian handmade bracelet by them. The hats they wear these they all have like some kind of hat like this. The older men usually wear them, handmade by them. Really beautiful hat. And then this can be wall art, but this is so beautiful. But its purpose is like you put hot stuff on it, you know, like a hot pot or a hot plate to serve food on. So they make a ton of these. They're so beautiful. So I put all 4 of these things as a set. So if you buy this set, you will get this whole set. I put it on my website. So I thought it'd be a really cool way, because I will go purchase this stuff for you guys who buy it, and then it will be like a way to directly support the Nubian people. So I'm gonna head back and purchase a bunch of these sets. So yeah, it's on my website, but know that when you purchase this set, not every hat and every mat, like a hot plate holder will be the same. They'll all be different because there's not 2 that are alike. So I can't possibly keep getting the same ones, you know. So the hat will be a little bit different, different colors, and the mat, this thing will be some different color, but it will be a Nubian hat, a Nubian mat, but this will be the same, and a little keychain girl. So it's like a little Nubian handmade stuff they make with their hands to keep thriving and keep getting you know, keep living. So I thought they'd be really cool. So if you want to, I'll link it down below. I also have this oil on my website if you want to get it from me while I'm here in Egypt. And yeah, I also bought this cream for the smell. I was wearing my hair in a bun like the first 3 days of Egypt. I just had it slicked back. I was like, oh my shirt. I just had my hair slicked back and in a bun. And I can't tell you how many people said, what is that smell? What does that smell? What does that smell? You smell so good. And it was this. I found this at the beauty store. It's silky. Okay, this is why I bought it, the ingredients. Mink oil, beeswax, to like hold back in a bun, or if there's a style I'm trying to do, I always put some kind of leave-in. I'm never gonna put some gel or some unhealthy thing on my hair because it's only gonna help your hair to have like a nourishing product in it. So yeah, got that. So that's everything beauty-wise I got in Egypt. Yeah, that's it. Again, if you want to have a little gift from the Nubian people, these are all handmade by the Nubians. They make this all with their hands. Again, it will be different for everyone. So this hat will look a little different, but they're all very beautiful. And the mat will look a little bit different, but they're all very beautiful. And the girl and the bracelet. So I will put this on my website, and it'll be linked down below if you guys want to support the Nubian people. That would be a great way to do so because this is the only way they make money from tourists. So yeah, it's everything beauty-wise I wanted to mention. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more adventures, more Egypt content, and more Africa content coming all this month. I'm so excited to travel around Africa, even though it's freaking hot. Like, oh my gosh, I thought the heat would let up. It's like 115 degrees, so it's ridiculous. But I'll see you guys in my next video. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.